What's going on, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to new video. So today's video going to be talking about how to change the brake pad in BMW E90. So actually this is pretty much same for any other BMW as well. So yeah, I did the bike riding in the weekend, that's why my car is like a little bit messy. Anyway guys, without further ado, let's try jump in our video. Alright guys, so the first thing first, let's go ahead and take it off the brake cup thing right here. The wheel is out, so you can see my brake pad. Actually there's no brake pad to see that there, like all my brake pad are flat, and also you can see my rotor also fucked up because of the brake pad. There's no brake pad. And yeah, I got spacers. Like if you guys want to know how to like put in the spacers, just comment down below. I'll do another video for that. And anyway guys, let's see what we got here. There's a two screws here, like this plastic tip. You just need to take it off this rubber part. And there's a one down here as well. So inside here you can see there's a screw inside, and let me show you the bottom one. Yeah, so this is the bottom one. You can just take it off with your finger. Yeah guys, before that, so let me show you what tools you exactly need to change the brake pad. This is pretty much it you need for the job. You can see here Euro brake pad, and also a small handle with HW7 tool and screwdriver, and I got the caliper brake caliper thing, brush, and also the cleaner. So actually you don't need to have like these things. So like you just need to have these three. So if you want to do like a clear job, you need to have all of these, and also you need to have a grease as well. So right now I'm gonna just use these things. Yeah, let's jump into the video. You guys can see or not, like actually there's no brake pad at all, like just a metal part. Yeah, actually it is true, like BMW has the best brake system. I don't know like where's the brake come from. I got the really good brake system in there, like even I don't have brake pad. Alright guys, so that's it for today's video. Like hope you guys learn how to change the brake pad. Actually it's not so hard, because like all you want to know is how to take off the wheels, and after that there's a two screws to take off. That's all about it. Like you can definitely do at home, like I do recommend. And guys, I'm gonna end the video, like, and also make sure to follow me on Instagram. I'm gonna put the name right here. So yeah, that's it for today's video, and make sure to stay happy, stay safe. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.